Welcome. Today's topic is pulmonary ligament. The root of lung is covered anteriorly and posteriorly by pleura. At the lower border of hilum, the investing layers of visceral pleura come in contact with one another. At the point of contact, the pulmonary ligament is formed. The ligament descends from the root of lung to diaphragm and it attaches the medial surface of lung with the mediastinum. So the pulmonary ligament is fold of pleura that surrounds the root of lung. It is formed by reflection of mediastinal pleura below the lung root. It extends from root of lung to the diaphragm and it is similar to the cuff or a sleeve of a jacket. It contains loose areolar tissue and few lymphatics. Functions are, it allows the expansion of pulmonary veins during exercise, descent of lung root during inspiration. Thank you.